Friends, how are you? Today we will discuss about the natural language processing. It's a very good language which is used for the now in the trending days. Okay, today we will discuss it. It is in the short form. It is also called NLP. Have hear about the NLP. There are two things. One is the natural language processing, and second is the artificial language. So we will discuss what is the difference between natural language and what is the artificial language. So natural language, the examples are like our regional languages like as Hindi, English, Punjabi, French, and etc. There are many more languages. Same artificial language is that language which works with the machine, like at C, C++, Java, PHP, Python, and etc. These are the difference between natural language and artificial. According to this diagram, we can understand what is the NLP. There are many users who put the data on the search engines, uh, like as on the web servers, and a machine which is find out the particular data. Means we can say that we have the raw material data and find out the usable data via the machine. These are the basic terminologies which are used in the NLP. First one is the natural language processing, and the second one is the tokenization. And tokenization, there are many tokens. We will discuss uh, in the details in further our next video. Normalization, stemming, lemmatization, stop words. Here we see the lemmatization. Lemmatization means example is running. Then we have to remove the running double n, so it becomes run. In the case of stemming, at the case of the lemmatization, better. We have to find out the better like as a good, and best is also there. So we have to find out the similar word. Stove word, in case of stove word, we have to use the particularly one by one in continuously, like as this quick brown the fox jumping over the lazy dog. So we have to stop the word for the word. And second is the part of speech. In case part of speech, there is a word. This is Alice crushed the rabbit. So Alice is a noun phrase, and crest is the verb, and the is the determinant, and rabbit is the noun. So determinant and noun become the noun phrase, and verb phrase and noun phrase become the verb phrase, and noun and verb become the whole sentence. This is called the part of speech. Then bag of words, engrams. The concept of engrams is very important because at the every sentence, and means there is a continuous sentence, the series of continuous sentence, we use the 1 gram. In case of 1 gram, the tokenization every word converted into one, and 2 gram concept, 3 gram concept. At the two, we are using the two words. At the three, we are using the three words. At in case of n-gram, we are using the whole sentence series continuously. There are also regular expressions, and synthetic analysis is also there, and semantic analysis, and sentimental analysis. In case of semantic analysis, we are find out the all the grammatically errors and regular expressions. All these comes into this. And at the case of sentimental analysis, we can understand with the help of the smileys. There are three smileys. We can, what we have to see, there is a one smiley is worry about, someone is thinking, someone is happy. So these all terminologies come in NLP, but when we are working with the NLP, we are using the some library in the Python, because NLP is a very good language. Natural language processing is very good when we are extraction the information from the raw material data. So we are using the some libraries. These libraries are via the Python. First one is the NLTK, natural language processing. Then TextBob. TextBob is used for the, there are many texting, and Stanford for NLP is PyFoc and Beautiful Soap. Beautiful Soap is also a library which is used for the scraping. We are using the for scraping. One is, this is the application. In case of application, machine translation, when we transfer the data, machine translation, you can say that Google Assistants, you have to see the, we have to uh, give the data, and that data converted into many other languages. This is fighting spam, information of extraction. We can extract the information from other web services, summarization of that information's question and answering. Nowadays we are giving the questions and answering. It means speech recognition is here. This is all our about the um, introduction about the NLP. What is the NLP, and NLP versus your artificial language? What is the difference between them, and which type of the steps used for the NLP? And after then we can, if we are seeing here, there are many languages, जैसे कि for example Java, Python. So we can, Python is very important language which uh, familiar with the NLP. So we are using the some libraries which are very important, like as TextBlob, NLTK, and Beautiful Soup. These are the basic which are frequently we are used in the NLP. And these are the some applications where we have to use all these. First one is the machine translation. Second one is the uh, fighting spam. Third one is the information extraction, summarization, and question answering, and many more applications are there. So thank you very much, dear.